Obviously. Oh, you stress me. Are you hungry? Hunger to catch me. Okay. Well, forget food though. Opportunity don't land like this. Now the same thing where you talk last time. And at the end of the day, we go sell one iPhone like that. We go turn to touchlight. Also, no be the same thing you go do now.
I want problem.
Well, forget that one. This one are legit. You know what thing go happen this time around? You go import legit parrot where they speak pidgin, and then they've come from Ghana. Now Ghana will go import and come. You understand? Parrot where they speak pidgin. You go buy that one now. Ha. Now market women go buy them now. Just imagine now, say parrot now they greet your customers. How you go feel? Now legit you go feel now. They go buy them, they go rush them. Mad. Parrot go even chop self pass the profits where you go see them. What we go do? We go train the parrot so that the parrot go they shout transfer don't enter. So once the parrot shout transfer don't enter, you go know say that one are legit.
Will you keep quiet?
You understand? Yeah, babe, I did broke like this. I can't balance self. They make EFCC, they find me. They won't claim my account till say person don't buy since last year. Send you one app now where they double money fast. So you say they find money fast. Yeah. You mean Ponzi scheme? Yeah. This one are double reloaded. No be that one. That one don't cry. This one dey legit. Ponzi not dey my body this time. I even still recover from the W of Destiny Ponzi. What I did last time. Move no fit dey my body again. Ask Joe, this one they use artificial intelligence. Now AI this one they use. They legit artificial intelligence. That one not just artificial nonsense. Okay. Get that one, Joe. Just invest 1,000 naira. Go see how the thing will they go. Get. You know, say now you teach me the last one. The 1K why I invest last time. After that one up, now sufferness follow. Nothing much. My brother.